Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope all are doing good by the grace of
Walaikum
Allah
assalam.
subhanahu wa ta'ala, Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, why day by day the participants are decreasing? You have only, okay, 1 month almost, we are moving towards 1 month, okay? So you have only 2 more months. So daily we are practicing for the interview, okay? So that mock interviews we are conducting, so that you should have the spirit of interview. If you have the spirit, then you can do it. So shall we start with the introduction part, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Good evening. Thank you for giving me opportunity. My name is Riaz Ahmad. I belong to Hyderabad. I have done my BTech from specified field computer science engineering. I am working as an e-discovery analyst from past 3 years. Before that, I have experience in Gulf as sales coordinator. I have done my academic project from Orbit Institute. I have done my project on employee separate system. That means when the employee joins to the company, till his resignation, everything will include in this system. My achievement are I have worked on special projects. I have been complimented by my supervisors and co-workers. My short-term goal is to increase my salary, whereas long-term goal is to recognize for my work. And my hobbies are like volunteering, helping other people, and my strength are like I will be focused on one thing till it gets complete, and my weakness is I'm very lazy. Thank you.
Okay, nice, but somewhat effective, some more effectiveness required, okay? Good luck.
Yes.
Thank you. Next, please come forward.
Yes, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Walaikum Assalam.
Yes. Can I start, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, please, sir.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I'd like to thank for giving me the opportunity. I am Usman Ali, born and brought up in Hyderabad. I have completed my master's in communication systems engineering in 2013. I have 9 years of professional experience, out of which I have 6 years of experience in academics as an assistant professor. I feel honored and privileged to have guided numerous students in achieving their career prospectus. My strengths are I have excellent public speaking skills, mentoring, and counseling skills. Besides this, I'm well versed in the software tools such as Microsoft Office Suite, C language, and hardware and networking skills. I have a short-term desire to make a career in cybersecurity domain and a long-term career to start up an IT solutions company wherein I can contribute to the society. My strength is my confidence and optimistic approach to the happenings in life, and my weakness is my emotions. My hobbies are learning new skills and technologies and reading technology related articles on web and maintaining a perfect physical and mental health. To conclude, I'm very thankful for your patient hearing and I'm looking forward for an opportunity from your side. Thank you very much.
Okay, Jazakallah, very nice, great. Mr. Riaz Ahmed, you have not included this thing, your achievement, your project in detail. This
Yes,
matters
ma'am.
a lot for any organization, okay? As you have experience, so please add your projects and achievement, okay?
Okay,
One or
I will add,
two.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so tomorrow just to focus on this, okay? Please focus
Yes.
on achievement, experience you have, no. So your projects in your previous job, what are the things you have done, your job profile means what project you have done. So this
Okay,
much
I
of,
will
and
include,
skill
ma'am.
set also, you are not specifying skill set also, it's very
Okay, I
much
will include. I will.
required. Yes, skill set also required. Based on your skill set, they will offer you that job profile. Okay, in
Okay, I will
IT
include, ma'am.
industry, many streams are there. Okay, based on your skill set, they will give you the job profile. Okay, so you're not adding this. Okay, you have experience, so add this experience, your achievement, and your skill set. Most important thing for
Sure.
experienced people. Okay, Jazakallah. Okay, next please. Mr. Syed Tahir Ali. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. You won't take initiatives. That's why I have asked you. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. First of all, I thank you very much for giving me opportunity that my name is Syed Tahir Rizvi, and I'm looking for a great opportunity in your organization. Previously, I have worked for so many projects, and I have past 9 years to 11 years of experience.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry for the interruption. Don't
Yes.
specify so many projects. Okay. So
Okay.
you can say so many projects. It's not a professional way. Yesterday also you were not there since 2 days. So on, etc. So many. This is not the professional way. Okay, you can say I have done numerous number of projects. Among this, one of the project is like this. Title you can say just a short brief.
Okay.
Basically,
Okay. Thank you.
at least you can specify the project on which platform you have done. Okay, I don't know about the mechanical and that stream IT, computer science. I can say that. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Okay.
that you
I
can.
worked on server administration and Active Directory roles and responsibilities. These are the two things, major things which I handle this in my career. In Active Directory console, we normally use to give the permissions to the user, what to use, what not to use, and what is the permission for the resources. As a couple of minutes back, we learned about this in the hardware class in the server management. Everybody, just now they come up with this technology. So this is the thing, my short brief. This I want to bring into your notice. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hello, Assalamu
Please,
alaikum.
sir, you have to work on this introduction part. Okay. Please
Okay.
follow the template. Okay, template and example here. So please work on this. You have to do the preparation. Please, homework required.
Right. Next time I'll do this.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Okay.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
So, madam, this is Mukhtar speaking.
Yes, sir. You were also not there since from 2 days.
No, yesterday only, ma'am.
Yesterday? Okay, okay.
Yes. Because of some family problems. Sorry for that.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Mohammad Abdul Mukhtar. I have done my engineering in 1999. And after that, I have done my MBA from UK and worked for 3 years in management field in abroad only. And after that, I worked. My experience is in the construction field. I have worked in 3 of the companies for this construction in Gulf area. My technical skills are MS Office, Excel, PowerPoint, preparing daily schedules using the Excel, preparing reports for using MS Office, and designing drawings using AutoCAD also. And regarding my hobbies, actually, building a relationship, a team building, problem solving, quick decision making, ability to teach. All these are my leadership skills. Being active, listening, and positive attitude. Focusing on specific goals using the SMART concept. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Can I for which job profile you are looking for in IT industry, sir? Because according to that, you have to say your skill set. Okay, according to the job profile in IT industry, according to that, like MS Office, you said MS
Yes.
Office, MX Access. So that is Excel also. That is not like that is initial. Okay,
Initial,
you
yes,
have to upgrade. So add the skill set. That is a basic things. Okay.
Fine.
So please research on this. What are the add-ons you have to add in your skill set to achieve your job profile. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Please work on this.
Thank
you. Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes. Next, please.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. I just want to add. add up something to this, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Like according to me, ma'am, if we like, if all of us whoever is joining in the meeting, if we try to write down all the things like according to the template, if we put on the paper, we can get to write the ideas, and if we can daily revise, and then we can like optimize, and we till the time we come up with the interview, your perfect introduction will be made. So it's always advisable that according to the template, you try to make a draft, and to try to speak up according to that draft. And in daily you'll get some points with which you can improve. So at till the time your interview comes up, you'll come up with the perfect one. So it's like we are saying with our mind, at then and there with our thoughts. So we are missing something. So if you put down on a paper and we revise it, so
that's why
according that's what
yes, I'm asking everyone to keep one diary with you and pen. And one more thing, if like a professional, we have Google Keep and Evernote. So you just familiar with these concepts. On cloud, you can keep your document and everything. So those who are not familiar, please work on that. Okay. Google Drive is there, Google Keep is there. Okay. Wherever you are, you can access your file and document anything. So be a professional. This is a physical thing is not required. Everything is software. Okay. On cloud. You are doing cloud computing, AWS also. Okay. So please familiar with these things, at least knowledge of that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Yes, Mr. Usman also suggested something. Please, all of you work on this. Please, so it will help you out for attending interviews. Okay. Upcoming New Year is there, 2021, in March or April or June. You have time. This is the very time you are getting. You prepare yourself to achieve a good opportunity in IT field. Okay. Inshallah. Next, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Can I?
Yes, sir. Mr. Muzammil, yes.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sayyid Muzammil. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. About my education, I completed BE Mechanical. I have 6 months of experience in data mining, contact discovery. I am previously worked with vSynergize Outsourcing as a research analyst. My short-term goal is to get a job in IT industry. My long-term...
Sorry for the interruption. Achievement, you just add experience you have, project and achievement, most important thing.
There is no achievement.
Okay, next. Okay, in the next class, you just add on. Okay, this one. Project, as you have experience, sorry. So you have work on any project.
Okay, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay. So I will share this once again in the group, this template and the example. Okay, please do the homework, preparation. Yes, continue.
Instead of achievement, can we share the job role or in
job profile company? You can, yes, job profile, yes.
Instead of achievement.
Yes. What actually, is your role? Yes, you can.
Okay. Actually, my role was search the prospect data like their job title, company name, business email, contact details as per given specs, and put all these things on Excel sheet. Hello?
Yes. Continue, sir.
My short-term goal is to get a job in IT industry. My long-term goal is to develop my skill and become a responsible and knowledgeable personality in my company.
Okay, good.
My strengths are hardworking, self-motivated, team worker. My weakness is I can't say no to anyone when they ask me any help. My hobbies are swimming, traveling. Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
That's all
sir,
about me.
mashallah, great. You are very effective. You have added more points, but you should more confident, okay? So day by day, if you practice, if you work, try to think on this template and write some points, okay? Some
Okay,
strong points in your resume, okay?
okay,
Good.
madam.
It's
In
very good.
instead of achievement, we
Yes,
can add a job role also.
yes, yes,
Is
sir.
that
Yes.
okay?
Yes, yes. Okay, sir. And one more thing I have shared
And
about the app, English communication app. Have you seen? Have you
Yes,
gone
yeah,
through that?
yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am. I have gone through, but I need to explore all the things that are there inside. But I have installed, ma'am, both the ones.
Okay. So,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very
yes,
much.
yes. Please, everybody download that and practice in that. Okay. So here the platform. This session is the platform where you can hesitation and where you can measure yourself where you are standing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely,
You're
we'll do.
doing your preparation homework everything, okay? You're doing practicing. So here is the platform where you can find day by day you can measure the things how you are, how far you have gone, okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
please you feel very happy and satisfaction also.
Yes, ma'am. Alhamdulillah. We are very happy
Alhamdulillah.
and we are very satisfied to up to this point.
Yes,
Inshallah, we'll work as you are saying, ma'am. Inshallah.
inshallah, yes. If we work hard in a team, okay, we are a team, okay, team, we are working for any for to achieve the things, okay? So in a team, if you do, we are sharing the things, everything, okay? Please continue. Next, please, introduction part. Mr. Muhammad Salman, please come up. Spend your only 1 hour here, okay? Joining and not here, it's not good. Please.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, thanks for first of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity. Myself, I'm Muhammad Salman. I'm from Hyderabad, and I brought up in Hyderabad only. My graduate educational status is that I'm graduated, BCom graduated. I completed my graduation, and I hold the BCom bachelor's degree from OU Usmania University. I'm fresher, and I done not many academic projects, but my achievement is a remarkable achievement, as I used to say, same that I excellent 10th excellent student award in 10th class from with the hands of FGHMC Mayor, and my short-term goal is to get a reputed job in a reputed company, and long-term goal is um, to settle in my to settle my career. And my strength is that I'm quick learner and mentor and problem. I have a great problem solving skills, and my weakness is that I go in unnecessary depth of any necessary matter, and I'm trying to overcome this weakness by not by giving by taking only necessity points to overcome any work or something. And my hobbies is I was improving my skills, updating my skills, and what I am saying, and reading books, etc. Reading books and uh, participating in sports, and that's all about me. Thank you to everybody.
Okay, good, mashallah. Very good initiative. And I want to, you are BCom graduate, so I suggest you that you just do a mini project for which type of job profile you are looking. Suppose you are looking for an administrator or a server administrator like that. So try
Yes,
to
ma'am.
do a mini project so that you can add on that thing in your resume, and you can elaborate that in the interview. Okay, it's give you
Okay.
a good strong resume introduction. Okay, so on
Okay.
internet you can find a number of mini projects related to your field. BCom, as you are BCom and you are looking for, I don't know, you just go through which field you want to opt.
Sure.
You are doing this job oriented course, so you are interested in which field. So according to that, you just do a mini projects. You will get an idea what to do with the projects like that. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
welcome. Next, please. Yes, anybody else? We'll start this conversation on like interviews only. Okay, mock conversation on interview. Okay, let us start this conversation. We have seen how what are the rules for conversation. Be a good listener for conversation. One is the speaker and the other is the listener, and it is not a monologue. It requires two-person for conveying things. Okay, so rules also we have seen. You should be genuinely interested in the person to whom you are talking, okay, to whom you are saying, and focus on the positive points, and converse, not don't do the argument, or don't involve yourself in the debate. Only the conversation, converse the things in a positive manner. That is the rule of best conversation. Okay, converse the things in positive manner and respect the others. Okay, don't impose or criticize or judge, and put the person best, make the person look good. Okay, without being unauthenticate. Give and take, and ask purposeful questions. 50-50 sharing. Give the chance to others to say something, and be true to yourself. Whatever you are saying, that should be justified. Okay, so true to yourself. And here are the questions, conversation about the interview. Okay, I am pleased to meet you. Okay, a polite greeting. This is the how you will converse with others. Okay, a polite greeting is I am pleased to meet you. Okay, and you want to convey the things that you are a team player. So working together is one of my strengths. Okay, if you want to in a or in any organization, it's a teamwork. Okay, so give your positive thoughts. Say your convey the positive thoughts. Working together is one of my strengths. So you can add this point in your strength. Okay, what is the point? That working together is one of my strength. Convey that you are a team player. And this one is I would love to work here, because you just say the interest towards the company, towards the organization, by saying that I would like to work here because I like this environment. What are the opportunities you have? I like the job profile you are providing. Like that, you have to say. So reiterate that you really want the job and why. Okay, if you give interest, the interviewer also give you the reply in positive manner. If you are giving interest, if you are showing interest by saying that I would like to work here because really I like this environment and the job profile. Okay, then thank you so much for taking the time to talk today. Follow up with a thank you note. Okay, so follow up you are taking by with the thank you note. And here how it could be interview. Okay, so in the interview, tell me about yourself. How do you handle stress and pressure? Okay, if somebody is there in the panel from one of the delegator, okay, is ask you tell me about yourself. So you feel like stressful, okay, and you have some pressure. So what is your greatest weakness? What motivates you? So interviewer will ask these questions. What motivates you to apply for this job? Okay, what motivates you to apply for this job, and what is your greatest weakness, and and what are your passions? These are the most important questions. And describe your work style. Okay, so these are the questions. You have to write some points on these questions, so that the most likely they will ask this type of questions. Okay, what is your greatest weakness? What motivates you to apply for this job? Describe your work style. It is very much important. If he won't ask you, if you say that this is my work style, you can impress the interviewer. Okay, and what are your passions? Your passion, if you have passion, you can do anything. Okay, this is the very important question. Okay, and here we have what should, I am discussing this, make a note in your diary and say after 5 minutes. Okay, then what should you never do or say during a job interview? Okay, these are the questions you have to conversation we have to do. Okay, what should you never do or say during a job interview? And how can you make a good first impression on a job interview? How can you make a good first impression on a job interview? If you are late to a job interview, how should you deal with the situation? What's the most important thing an interviewer should find out about a candidate? Do you remember your first job interview? Talk about it. What are some of the things you can do to get ready for a job interview? This is the most important question. What are some of the things you can do to get ready for a job interview? Okay, so these are the most important things. We should make a note of this. Okay, and the next is, what's more important, the candidate's personality or educational background? What's more important, the candidate's personality or educational background? What's the first thing you should do when you walk in a job interview? What should you wear to a job interview? What should you avoid wearing? If the interviewer asks you, why do you want to leave your current job? What do you think is the most appropriate answer? Okay, what should you say if the interviewer tells you you don't have enough experience to work with this? Most important questions here. What should you say if the interviewer tells you you are overqualified? So here we have some questions for you. Okay, so it will take, this conversation will take 2 or 3 days. Okay, I will share these things, these questions in the group. Tomorrow also we can continue this conversation of this job interview. Job interview cards. Answer the following question. Tell me about yourself. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Why do you want this job? How would you describe your ideal job? What are you looking for in a new job? What can we offer you that your previous company cannot? Do you prefer to work in a small, medium, or large company? What do you think of the last company you worked for? Okay, here we have most important questions with us. So let us start with the conversation. We can start the conversation on these questions. Yes. I am audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you're
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What we should say? What should you never do or say during a job interview? How can you make a good first impression on a job interview?
If
Like
you
we should
know
never
something,
say yes.
yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Continue, brother.
As we have a, as we don't know anything about the job or the profile, if they ask us what you never, so we should politely give the reply that we can do it if you give us some guidance, so we can prove it that we can do it. But we can't directly say that I don't know or we don't do that. This one we don't know about this. This is the positive way to reply the interviewer in the interview.
Yes.
Whether it's up to them whether they give this opportunity or not. But you should never say no. You
Yes.
should have positively reply them that yes, if you guide something, I know something, but for moreover, you need to guide me some more to give the positive response.
Yes.
This
So
is the main.
training first, they according to the job profile, the company will provide you the training. If you 2 months, 3 months training, after the 2 or 3 months training, you will well enough, well versed with the job profile, then you will carry on with your work. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am. And another thing is never lie, ma'am, in interview.
yes, yes. Whatever the skill set you have, you just with that only. Don't add.
Yeah, to be
Yesterday
honest,
we
ma'am.
discussed that if you don't know about the server admin, server anything, and you have added that in your resume, it's not good.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we should never say like short term commitment. I will work for 2 years, 3 years, then I will go to other company, like that. We have to give long
Uh-huh.
term commitment. Whether we will work or not, we don't know, but we
Uh-huh.
have to give long term.
And one more thing, yesterday we have discussed. I want to pursue this one MTech and pursuing after. So for higher education, I want to go like that. Don't never do this. Yes, isn't it? Yesterday we discussed
Yeah,
about this.
yeah,
Yeah,
yes, ma'am,
ma'am.
yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. We should not say that we are pursuing.
Give the preference. You are giving preference to the current job. So give
And we should not
importance to the
say
current.
anything. We should not say anything negative of our previous job.
Yes, yes, good point. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. The most important thing an interviewer should find about a candidate. I want to say some points on this, ma'am.
Yes. Please carry on.
Yes, ma'am. It's actually whenever we get to know about a job profile and whenever we get to know about the specific job. So we being a candidate, we have the interviewer is mostly looking for the people that actually fits in that skill set with the knowledge base and the skill set and the areas. He has to be well versed with the kind of the roles and responsibilities that will be assigned. So whenever we are going for an interview or we are applying for a specific job, so we can do a research with perspective to the roles and responsibilities, with perspective to the skill set required, and with perspective to the kind of the different divisions and the kind of work that company is doing. So if we do this sort of homework, so mostly I feel like the interviewers are mostly looking with the candidates who are doing the proper research on the job profile about the company and all also
Yes,
the
yes.
skill set. So these are
Yes, yes.
the key criteria that the interviewer is looking in the candidate.
Yes. Please, all of you make a note that before going for interview, 3 points, okay? 3 points, make a note. You have to go through or research on the company where you are going, okay? And the job profiles, what are the requirements? They have job profiles. You should have this knowledge. Okay, and the whatever the skill set you have written in the resume, please work on that skill set before going for the interview. Okay, 2 days before, 3 days, please practice, prepare for 3 times, prepare for 3 times for the interview before going. In one time we'll not come across the mistakes, second time or third time we'll come across the mistake and we will correct it. Okay, most important thing is, first is just have the knowledge or research on the net about the company and what are the requirements they have. Based on that, you can ask if he offers you that one and you want to do go for other, like that. You just have the knowledge of whatever the which company you are going. Okay, make a note, everybody, what we are discussing, please make a note in the diary so that you can refer you can refer it afterwards. Okay, next please. Here we have how many questions? 6 questions. Please, one by one we'll elaborate the things, discuss the things. How can you like anybody have you you are in the situation of going late for the interview? I don't think so. If you are late to a job interview, how should you deal with the situation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First of all, ma'am, getting late for an interview is like, you are your first impression in front of an interviewer is down. So in order to justify it, if you actually give the factual and genuine reason, also the other side, your interviewer will think, you don't have the proper sense of responsibility and you might have not started before, or you're not serious for the role. So
Yes.
according to me, these excuses, sometimes, like in our society, we have got a habit of giving excuses. But
Yes.
in
Yes.
real time, when we go in a professional setup,
Yes.
so
Mhm.
they don't accept the excuses. Even if your excuse, you might say, we have met with an accident, or there was a heavy traffic in the route, there was a closure in the
Don't
route.
say please.
So they will never accept that. So
Yes.
it's all about us, though. We have to plan, and we have to reach the destination accordingly, well in time, so that we can be mentally prepared and we can be relaxed, and we'll be in no pressure, and then you can deliver and you can give the best on that day. So I think, ma'am, even if we have a genuine reason, we cannot justify that why you have came late for an interview, or what sort of consequences you have been through, according to me, ma'am.
For them it doesn't matter. Okay, it for you it matters, you should go on time. Okay, and for Indians, on going on time, it doesn't matter, I think so. That's why every time, so please be professional and be on time. Next most important thing an interviewer should find out about a candidate. This is a very good question.
Yes, ma'am. Interview will find for the candidate, like he should be mature person, no childish person,
Mm-hmm.
like with good attitude, and he should not be over smart.
Yes, yes, yes. Good point.
Responsible person.
Yes, yes, yes. Responsible person.
Smart qualities and leadership qualities, and all these things they will check it instead of
Yeah, yeah.
knowledge anyone can gain, but these things it comes with the maturity and all these things.
Yeah, yeah. Responsible leadership, and what else you have said?
Smart.
Yes, yes. Good. First, they will look for this, then skill set. Yes. Do you remember your first job interview? Talk about it.
Yes, ma'am. 3 years back, I have given one interview. Just I will share something. Like when I was talking to HR, he said that to get a job, many people will agree. They will not see like I should do in morning shift, afternoon, night shift. They will agree. After getting job, they will say that I don't want night shift, like that. He has told me that thing. Like if
Yeah.
you are giving commitment, then only we can take.
Yes, yes. For the sake of job getting, they will say simply. So be
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
the commitment should be there. They will check for your commitment also. Commitment is very much important for any organization. If you have committed, you just to carry on with that. Don't change. So means you are not flexible for that job. So flexible, you should be flexible. Okay, good point. Very good point. Yes. What are some of the things you can do to get ready for a job interview? Yes, very much important. This point. This question is very much important. How you will get ready for a
Like we need to do preparation, ma'am. First main thing is preparation, and we need to know about the company before going to a job interview, because many times it happen they'll ask about what do you know about this company. This is a
yes.
product based company or what type of company. That is the main thing.
Yes. Please make a note of these points, what we are discussing, okay?
What are you mentioning in your resume or all that? You
Yes.
are ready for questioning on that, like you are saying hobbies like swimming. Then he questioned on what are the Olympic swimming pool size, what are the types of swimming. In my last interview, I told him
Okay. Hobby.
my hobby is swimming. Then he asked me what are the types of swimming and what is the Olympic swimming pool size. Then I stuck on that question, and hmm, and that's why my impression is negative. That's
Okay. So that's why we have discussed that what genuine thing you just add in the resume, whatever you know. According to the resume, they will go through the resume. According to that resume, they will ask you the questions. See here. So he was a interviewer, was a smart person. So test a person to judge a person. He asked swimming means really you know you are genuine in swimming or not, like that. He asked that. Very good point you have shared. How can you like do it to get ready for a job interview? Get ready means after 1 hour you are going to attend an interview. So please give me some adjective words for to get ready for a job interview. Few or some adjectives to get ready for a job interview.
Like to get ready job interview before 12 hours we should stop studying questions, ma'am. Like last Sunday there was a counseling section, no, like a presentation section.
Yeah.
In that also they said that before one day we should stop studying about the job interview and we should not think about that.
Not think.
We should keep our mind relaxed.
Yes, relax, but you have to mindset means
Yes,
you have to
mindset.
set mindset. You have to prepare yourself that you are going to attend an interview. How you will present there. Okay. So mindset, adjective, and confidence, and you just prepare yourself that you want to give an interview very effective one with confidence and very presentable and have some etiquettes, manners of conveying the things, greetings, and you want to be a best communicator, isn't it? Just make a note of this,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
These words. Communicator, you just communicate very politely, very just see here. here in this, convey that you are a team player. Okay, a polite greeting. Okay, inculcate if you don't have these manners, etiquettes. Okay, attitude. Okay, you should have an attitude of gratitude. Okay, gratitudes, we have different gratitudes. So and you should be start the session with the greeting, and you should have a peaceful mind. Peaceful mind. Okay, before going to the interview, don't involve yourself in any argument and anything. Be happy, feel happy, like that. So polite greeting, convey the things as a best communicator. Think that you can convey the things in best way. So that is the best communicator. Okay, and last point here, reiterate that you really, okay, you really want to work. Okay, so this is your genuinely you're giving a positive, okay, positive towards positiveness towards that company and job. Okay, anything you want to add? Please, anybody convey this, how you will converse, what are some of the things you can do to get ready for a
While giving interview, we should give answer politely and wisely also.
Yes, yes, good.
I think, ma'am, we should have to encourage ourselves.
Yes, yes. Yes.
We should not go with the feeling that we are inferior and they are superior to us.
Yeah.
We should not feel that they are far better, excellent for people. They have a lot of technology experts, and we are nothing. We should not go with such a mindset.
Yes, very good point.
We have to go with the mindset that whatever we know, we'll try to deliver and we'll try to take, and we'll try to do our best. If the things comes up, it's good. If it not comes up, there are a whole lot of opportunities left for us. So go with such a mindset. That's very important.
Please, it's my request, whatever we have discussed today, I will share these questions, write the answers, please share in the group. You are not doing so.
Interview is like interacting and communicating, that's it, not like interrogation, something like this.
Yeah, good point. So whatever the points we have discussed in this one class, please make a note of this, because the few people, others also, they have given their views. So make a note of those things and share in the group so that everybody can get the points. Okay, just here we are discussing. In return, we want. If we have in return, we will also write if we miss some points.
We'll try to do the homework on all these questions.
Please.
We'll try to prepare some points and we'll put on the group, ma'am. Inshallah. We will message you, ma'am, on WhatsApp. Inshallah.
Yeah. Please, today's session is very much important.
Yes, ma'am.
You can overcome this. Okay, these are the questions. If we write, if we write no, we will do it.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, the writing is very, very important. That's the way we can actually improve our skills. So writing is very important.
Yes. We can get the points from others also.
Yeah, but we don't remember. So if we put on the paper, that's the only way we can.
Yes.
We can optimize our speech by including the good points from others as well. So put on the paper. That's the best way you can actually go ahead with.
Correct.
Okay, at least 2-3 questions. One person for 2-3 questions. Other person, just share whatever you have in your mind. Just share it, please. Put it on the paper and share it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Next, these are the questions. Yes, this one is, what's more important, the candidate's personality or educational background?
In this, I will say both, ma'am.
Yes.
Like if he don't have any degree, he's going directly for interview, then they will not serve. And the personality also, he should maintain, like well dressing, sitting politely. Both are important in this case.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think candidate's personality is more important, and his approach towards the job is more important. Like, these days, lot of people are, they can easily get graduated in any stream they want. So the most important criteria, according to me, is the candidate's personality.
Here, just I want to add one point, ma'am. Education background is compulsory because for interviewer, for example, only eligibility is engineering. There we can degree background cannot eligible.
Yes.
So education background is also important.
Yes, background also is important. Like depending on the educational background, they will give you the job profile, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, according to the educational background, they will give you the job profile. Based on your educational background, only job profile.
Yes, ma'am. Depending on
But
fields,
first
ma'am.
initial
Yeah.
is your personality. Okay.
Yeah, depending on
Because the
field, ma'am.
person, manners also very much important. If you have educational background and you don't have any manners, etiquettes, then
Education background is like an entrance ticket, we can say, madam. If we
yes,
have, if we entered, then only we can show our means candidate's personality. They can show.
yes. So that's why they are giving companies, if they are recruiting based on the educational background, recruiting, they will provide you for 2 months, 1 month soft skills also training, soft skills training, personality development training. They are providing day by day, weekly, yearly, monthly, isn't it? Personality development skills program they are giving to the employees to
Yes,
develop their
ma'am.
personality skills, because they have to work in the team. If you don't have personality development skills, then how can you work in team? So for any company, for IT, in IT industry, any company, they are looking for this every month or 3 months. They are looking for the, if they won't find any teamwork or any disturbance in the employees, they are giving this the personality development program, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Company will provide means soft skills also and personality development programs.
Yes, so
Company will
they are
provide.
by this you can say that they are most focusing on if you have educational, well enough educational background, they are recruiting to make the personality, they are grooming, they are providing this personality development, okay, program. In Hyderabad, many people in IT industry, they are coming from different places and they have their own culture and tradition, okay, but to make it a common tradition in the organization, so they are providing this personality development program, the personality development skills program, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the first thing you should do when you walk in a job interview?
According to me, ma'am, there are three things which I used to do, like smile on our face,
Yes.
then greeting, then we should carry one profile and we have to give to the interviewer.
Yes. Mm. Yes, yes. You're carrying a profile, okay? So
Profile means CV, ma'am, that resume.
yes, CV. So you
Yeah.
are on hand. You're like you're just you should have in a professional way, okay? So
Yes.
you should have some folder or file or something with you, okay? Bag, like not heavy so much. Like they are carrying laptop, everything, okay? A big bag that's they are going for a journey like that. They'll come some people for interview. So minimize your things if you're going for job interview. Isn't it? I'm correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. What should you, yeah, we have discussed this. What should you wear to a job interview? If the interviewer asks you, why do you want to leave your current job? What do you think is the most appropriate answer?
Like ma'am, we can say that we want to explore in the new areas, and we want to explore the new avenues, or we want to upgrade our skill set, and we want to apply for some challenging role, and
Yes.
we want to upgrade ourselves. We want to look ourselves in a better position. So that's the only reason. And in our previous company, we don't have that opportunities to upgrade ourselves with the current emerging technologies. So that's why we are migrating towards this job. And then we want to upgrade our skill set, and we want to be in par with the current market trends. So that's why we
Yes.
are opting for this new job. And in our previous company, we don't have that much IJPs or internal job postings wherein we can apply for the high-end roles, or the like they are not working on the latest technologies that are up in the market. So your company does are working on the upcoming and latest technologies. So that's why we are looking for your company.
Yes.
In that, I think we can justify in this
Few
way.
companies, they will give opportunity for their employees for the internship programs like that. Few companies, isn't it? So if suppose the current company, they are not providing you to go for the internship program like that, that's why I am shifting, I am moving from this company to other company so that I can upgrade. Just you have discussed, okay? So please write up on this, okay? They will ask
Yes,
in the
ma'am. We'll
interview
write
this
definitely.
question, okay? Very appropriate answer, okay?
Inshallah.
Relevant, simple and relevant, okay?
Yes, that smart same smart
Yes.
technology will apply this or this all these questions. The smart.
Yes. And one more thing, what
Yes,
should
ma'am.
you say if the interviewer tells you you don't have enough experience to work with us? Then,
Ma'am, we can say that we have a proper knowledge and understanding of all the tools and applications that you are working on, and we are determined and we are committed that once we get an opportunity, once we get a chance, you can give us a chance, and you can within your probation period, we'll try our level best to deliver upon your things. So it's like it's a law of nature. For every job, the people have to start from day one. Nobody can become an expert if he doesn't get a job. So I personally feel that I have done a proper homework with the perspective to skill set, knowledge base, and getting well versed and aware of all the tools and things that we are going to use. So once we get an opportunity, we'll try to present you our skill set in front of you, and we are personally determined, and we are committed, and we are very confident that we could deliver our best effectively and efficiently. So that's why we personally feel that like once you give us an opportunity, we will work like an experienced person.
very nice, very great, great. So please share this. This is very much important for us for this because we want to explore, okay? We have this skill set. If you give an opportunity, we can prove it by exploring the things. I am looking forward for an opportunity to explore my skill, okay? So and they will provide us training also to well verse with that whatever the job profile they have, okay? So you, as you said, with dedication, if we are doing, we can do it that all
Like we can add one more point, like I am a quick learner, I will manage
yes,
all the things, like
yeah, yes, yes. If they say you are overqualified, they won't say, I think so. Anybody have you faced this overqualified?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have faced a lot of times. They have said that you are overqualified for it. So I personally feel, ma'am, like whenever we are going for a job, like especially if there is a startup position or a fresher position, so we have to stop. Like it's my opinion, ma'am. Might be I can wrong. I want you to correct me. Like usually people do say that we should not say that we have done the masters and we have done whole lot of things. We have to keep our resume as short and as precise as possible according to the roles and requirements. We should not elaborate and give that we have done masters and all this this and that. So that is one of the way we can actually like we are not hiding, we are basically trying to enter the company. So with our masters and our qualifications, might be they'll not accept us. So the people do advise, and they say it's always advisable that according to the job role, you try to optimize your CV, like, you know, with perspective to the factual points, not the ones that you have not done. The things that you have done, with that you can decrease the qualification. Some people might have done 2-3 masters programs, or might have done 2-3 bachelor's programs, so they can actually cut short to 1 bachelor's and 1 master's, or they can actually stop at
top.
1 bachelor's program
Yes,
only.
yes. These days also doing 2 masters, 2 bachelor's degree.
I have gone through, ma'am, a lot of people, even they do BSc, then they do BCom, BBA, then they study some. Yes. I have gone through 2-3 such. Yes, ma'am.
No, that is a distance education. Okay, they will prefer
regular. I have gone through people who have also done regular, not from usually from South India, but from North India. I have gone through the series of the people who have done 2-3 bachelor's programs even.
It's very confusing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So that's why they, for such profiles, they usually say that you are over educated, you are not determined with your career, what you have done, why you have your career is so much, you know, confusing and all this. So at that point, we can actually make sure. Now, we are usually people think that if they represent more and more academic qualifications on their CV, it will give a plus point, but it's not like that. You give your one basic qualification, and according, and after that you give your experience and your achievements, so that will actually make a positive impact.
Yes. So just start with your resume, be specific and simple. Okay, whatever the specific simpleness is there, be relevant to that while giving interview. Okay, this is the point I can conclude in this overqualified, like that. So simple and specific and very relevant also. Okay, and this one is tell me about yourself. Please work on this. Tell me about yourself. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Why do you want this job? How would you describe your ideal job? Okay, everybody having the ideal job. How you have in your mind ideal job. Okay, what are you looking for in a new job? This is also very much important. We have discussed only 1 or 2 points about this. What can we offer you that your previous company cannot? Do you prefer to work in a small, medium or large company? What do you think of the last company you worked for? This is also very much important. Okay, please do the preparation, work on it, do the homework. Tomorrow we'll continue with this. Okay, inshallah. I will share the things with you in the group. Okay, yes, so we'll stop the session here itself. Okay, tomorrow we will continue this session. Okay, conversation on this interview questions.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Welcome, sir. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.